Hello lovelies, welcome and welcome back to UZL TV. I hope you guys are doing great. I know it's been a hot minute here on the channel, but if you've been following me for a while, you would have known that I was heavily pregnant. So our bundle of joy is here. About a month ago we had our baby, and I've been taking some time off to relax and recuperate and also to adjust as a new mom of two. So it's not really been easy for me, but we're pushing. Right, so here we are today. I have a simple and effective recipe for you guys. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Uziel, aka Advocate for Positivity, and on this channel I help you live healthy naturally. If at all you find value from today's video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you do not miss any of my uploads. Alrighty guys, I've got an exciting recipe for you guys, so let's just hop into the kitchen and we'll talk more about the ingredients needed for this recipe. Today's recipe doubles for performance and immune boosting to help keep your body strong. This recipe is incredibly delicious and you will want to have it every day. For this recipe, you would need peaches, carrots, turmeric, lemon, and black pepper. Let's look into the benefits of these ingredients. Peach is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. Peach also contains vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. All of these nutrients are essential for good health. Fiber, for example, helps to promote regularity and prevent constipation. Vitamins A are critical for immune function and skin health. Potassium is crucial for proper muscle function and heart health. Peach has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control, and its consumption has been linked with a reduced risk of certain cancers like ovarian cancer. Carrots are an essential source of vitamin A, essential for eye health. They are a good source of antioxidants which can help protect the body against diseases and promote overall health. Carrots also contain potassium and fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the body against free radical damage. It effectively reduces inflammation and pain. It improves digestion and supports detoxification. Also, it is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Curcumin, a primary compound found in turmeric, has been shown to have anti-cancer properties as well. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the body against free radical damage. Lemon also contains flavonoids, which are plant compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiviral effects. Lemons also contain limonene, a compound shown to have cancer preventive properties. Lastly, lemons are a good source of dietary fiber, which can promote digestive health and help to prevent constipation as well. So for this recipe, I will be using my handy dandy juicer, but feel free to use any juicer you have on hand or a blender. First, ensure all ingredients are adequately washed and ready for juicing or blending. Prepare the peaches, cut them in half, and remove the pit before juicing. So then go ahead and add your peaches to the juicer, and next is to add carrots to the juicer. After that, add about 2 inches of turmeric root. Finally, add the lemon, making sure to remove the seeds first. To serve this juice, you can add some ice for extra freshness, but that is totally optional. Give everything a good stir and then add freshly ground black pepper to the cup before serving. Adding black pepper is compulsory to reap the benefits of curcumin found in turmeric. Then go ahead and drink up immediately, and if there are any leftovers, be sure to store them in the refrigerator for no more than 2 days. You can have up to 2 cups of this every day, but on an empty stomach for best results. This immune boosting recipe is perfect for colder weather. The peaches, carrots, turmeric, lemon and black pepper, all packed full of nutrients that will help to keep you healthy. And did I mention it is delicious, easy to make, packed with nutrients and easily adapted to suit your taste. So go ahead and make this juice today and drink up for your optimal health. So there you have it, you guys. Like I said, this recipe is so simple to make and very effective. In fact, within minutes you can whip up this in your kitchen, but the results and the benefits are astonishing. So go ahead and try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. And until I come your way next time, folks, keep loving, keep serving and keep staying positive. Bye for now.